Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Yuzu Pokemon Scarlet black screen problem.
To begin, download the archive at the link in the description and unzip it to the desktop. Password from the archive, Babajan. Next step, open the DirectX Fix folder and open the file. In case the file does not start, open the folder v2. Open the installer and follow the instructions, as shown in the video. Open the second folder and run the next installer. After installation, the program opens, press the Scan Now button and wait. After that, a website opens showing which drivers need to be updated. Update them. After that, open Windows settings and do everything as I show in the video. After that, open the settings and type Game Mod Settings and turn on the game mod. Then type in graphic settings and do as shown in the video. If necessary, restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.